Thutha wa Geoffrey Ruko, minista wa utungata wa muingi, na Auma Oluga, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri, kuhitithio muthenya wa Aramithi, nimonanitie ati kuruta nguo ni gwithamba tondu matinaria marigu kwambiriria wira wao. Thutha wa Ruko kuhitithio na kuoya matamu ma ofici imwe kwa imwe ikinyirie nginyagia ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Central kurora uria maabitha a borithi mararuta wira na kuria augire ni akunyorokia motungata kuri muingi.
Moving forward, as one of the key mandate also of the Ministry of Public Service is to ensure we are digitizing government services. National Police Service ama police zetu station tofauti katika kona yote ya Kenya, in all different sub-counties in the Republic of Kenya, we want to make them centers of excellence in customer service. Customer service or customers are the people of the Republic of Kenya. Moving forward, we want to ensure most of the services we are offering as a government are free, and most of them are immediate.
Ouma nake uria wehitithitio ta mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri na kwerera kuma haria Harry Kimtai aratigereire aingirire ofici-ini yake nyumba-ini ya Afya House na kwambia wira haria erire a Kenya ati ni akuruta wira atakurora riua.
And I want to promise you, sir, that I will be dependable, I will be reliable, and I will be effective. We must ascertain that all players and actors in the health sector must align with the objectives of our government.
Harry Kimtai nake atoritwo ministry-ini ya weji wa mahiga magoro.
Munatujali.
Mwagi wa Shira, Inoro TV, Nairobi.